My name is Tom Van. I'm the president of Visi-Trak worldwide. Our SureTrack real-time closed-loop control systems are used by die casters throughout the world for very complex castings and the mission-critical applications. So they can't afford unplanned downtime or suboptimal performance. Our systems are critical to keeping those machines running and making good parts. I was in search of a company that manufactured an affordable and high-performance, rugged and reliable direct drive servo valve that could serve as the pilot valve for our Olmsted high-performance cartridge valve platform. I was very fortunate to be introduced to Domin by a trusted partner. We are amazed by the way Domin's been able to use 3D printing to design and manufacture such a powerful and compact valve to provide a very rugged and reliable performance in a tough environment.
Visi-Trak are accelerating technological advancement within the die casting industry, and we want to be a part of that. We're supporting them in any way we can to help bring about this positive change for die casting. Our valves enable Visi-Trak to be faster, smaller, lighter, and deliver more accuracy within their die casting processes.
The Domin servo valves immediately provided very good repeatability and fast response, which allowed for rapid acceleration in the fast shot and rapid deceleration at the end of the shot to eliminate flash. The Domin S6 valve that we installed at our customer's plant in early 2021 is still running 24/7 without any issues. Their technical manager shared with us that the Domin S6 Pro is the best servo valve they have ever seen. He stated that it has an incredible response time and is unbelievably tiny. We've had 0 returns on the valve, which is very surprising because not all the die casters use good filtration practices. So to be 2 years into this partnership with Domin and not having any returns is very encouraging.
Domin's really excited to be working with Visi-Trak. They're an innovative, ambitious company who are able to apply the technology that we've developed into their systems to bring more value to their customers. They're great to engage with. They respond to us whenever we have any questions. They give us great feedback on our products, and together we're able to form this partnership that brings more than the sum of the parts.
Visi-Trak is very excited to have Domin as a supplier for our high-performance valve platform. We are looking forward to a long-term partnership that will allow us to continue providing our customers with the highest performance control system for die casting on the market.